Raymond, in my father's place, there is a proverb that when a tsetse fly perches on your scrotum, you kill it with wisdom. And in my mother's side, there's also a proverb that when you find it difficult to release a troublesome fat, you use your two hands to separate the buttocks for easy flow. Michael. This is the money you gave to Michael.
Sure, you were not there when I gave him the money. So how does it concern you?
Raymond, when a snake terrorizes a home, it doesn't matter who kills it or how it is killed. Under the circumstance, it doesn't matter whether I was there, I was not there. The most important thing is your money is here. Mbo.
Mbo again. How much is in there? Osebo.
My wife asked a question. Answer her. How much is in there?
What question? How much do you expect? Do you expect to get more than what your husband gave to Michael? Shut up! Okay, no, nobody. I beg you, shut up. Let's hear what.
Mama, it's okay.
You don't know her name, maybe. You don't know her name, maybe. No, okay, what are we still doing here? Go and get a room inside. Rubbish. Get a room inside. How much is in there?
Mama, give other things. We are giving her the money. Let's go.
Okay, no, nobody. Come and stay inside. I'm not here. Full at 100 years.
She's just a noise maker.
Don't mind, she's always like that.
Ezemo, what did you see? Speak to us. This man is going out. He went contrary to the rules of the gods. And what he is passing through is the punishment, the penalty for violating the rules of the gods. He has to remain in this condition. He will remain in this condition. Though he will one day be well. Hey, what the man? A good man. Ah! Michael, what are you doing?
I will spare your life for one reason.
What are you doing? That boy. Oh no, that boy.
Which boy?
That boy. Ezoba Shrine. Ezoba Shrine, oh no.
What happened in Ezoba Shrine? You are full of lamentations. Talk.
That boy Michael has set Ezoba Shrine ablaze. Oh no. Who could you not believe in one here? I'm out of this place. Oh no, I am out of here. I'm out of here now. Hey! Who could you not believe in one here? I'm going to remember. Who could you not believe in? Hey! What is it? Mama? What's the problem? Mama? Who's after you? Who is after you? Nobody's after me. But there's trouble in this community.
Okay, what is happening? Get in the trouble.
Mama, it's Michael.
What about him?
Michael set Ezioba deity ablaze. It's a lie.
Why will you do that?
What about the Ezemo? I don't know. But Raymond said I should leave this house immediately.
I honestly do not understand what is really going on in this village. No. It's either one problem or the other. What is all this?
Please, can we just go in and pack our things, please? Because it sounded so serious and uncomfortable on phone. Yes!
Let's go.
What is going to happen to him?
The gods will strike him.
Does he not know that burning the shrine has implications, mother?
Adese, please stop. I need to think. Leave my sight now, okay? Please.
You don't know? You don't know, right? Okay, that means I will replace you. No, please. I will kill you replacement.
Michael, Biko, I've never supported my father. You can inquire. I've never supported him. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Tell your father. Tell your father when I see him, I'm killing him. You hear me? You hear me?
Yes.
I'm not joking.
Yes.
I am not joking.
Yes. Yes.
Come on, get out. Why are you sweating? What is why are you like this?
I have burned down the shrine.
Hey!
You did what? You heard me right. I burned down the shrine of this community.
You went too far, my brother. Why did you do that?
I am not to be blamed.
Michael, I don't understand you. You are not to be blamed. How?
The gods lied. I did not hear you. You heard me well.
But it's okay, Michael. Even at that, you still went too far.
Yes.
You went too far. You burned down the shrine.
There are many ways to kill a rat.
And I chose this way. You heard me right? I chose this way. I did it. Let me tell you something. This community will never know peace until I'm crowned king. Ijokoye, I'd rather die than for me to witness the day Raymond will be crowned king in his Yoruba community. We are with you on that.
Michael, Cherry. Since this war started, we've been behind you. We worked relentlessly to support you. But now, we are begging you. Biko, calm down. Wait to Obi. Biko, because the gods have spoken. Yes. Please.
Jokoye.
Yes.
What did you just say?
I said calm down.
I should calm down.
Biko.
Nje, were you not the same person that advised me to take what belongs to me by force?
Oh yes.
Were both of you not the ones who advised me to use violence to get that which belongs to me?
Yes.
We did.
Oh.
Violence is on no, not on the shrine.
I see. I have always known this. I have always known this. That someday, both of you will be brought to their side. And it has happened. But I tell you what. I will single-handedly handle this. And I will prevail. I will prevail.
What that we have been bought.
Don't worry. You know he's angry. An angry person can say anything. That's not the Michael I know. Don't worry, we'll handle it.
Grandpa. Why are you crying? Is it because Michael burnt down the shrine or what?
I am crying because I am not supposed to witness such thing. In the history of Yoruba, during the reign of our forefathers, our ancestors, such thing never happened. Why? Why now? In my own time. Oh, why?
But Grandpa, it is not your fault. Besides, you aren't the one who asked me to do that.
My daughter, I foresee calamity in Yoruba.
Calamity? Grandpa, I do not understand. Grandpa, where are you going?
My daughter, I cannot live to witness it. I can bear it no longer.
Grandpa, please come and sit down. You're not too strong for this.
No, I want to join my ancestors.
Grandpa, no, please do not leave me in this lonely world. Please come and sit down. Grandpa, please. Carefully.
Nobody is coming inside this palace to hold any bloody meeting. No cabinet meeting. Henceforth, no cabinet meeting. No cabinet meeting. Nobody. Nobody. I said nobody. Nobody.
Michael.
Nobody will enter this palace.
Michael, come here. What is wrong with him? Michael, what are you doing?
Nobody. Lord, I said nobody. Nobody will enter this palace.
Calm down.
No cabinet meeting in this palace. No meeting. No meeting here. Nobody will enter this palace. Don't talk to me. Get out. Nobody. Not even Iche Okoye. Not even Iche. Nobody will enter this place. Nobody will enter this place. Nobody, as far as I'm alive. Nobody will enter this place. Nobody.
Greetings, palace guard.
Lolo said you and Michael's wife should follow me to the palace.
Hello? Is my husband there? Mama, come on. Mama, don't fall. Oh? Are you not coming? I'm coming. Let me go through. I'm coming. Mama, I'm coming.
Anybody that enters this palace, anybody.
Michael! Hey! Michael, please.
No.
My son, Biko.
Mama, no. Mama, stay there. Mama, please don't come close. Please don't come close. Nobody. party, no party. I said no party. Nobody should hold me.
Please, help me.
Nanyokoi, for good 3 days now, I've not seen Michael.
3 days? Nkechi, you didn't try at all. You didn't try. For a whole 3 days, you've not seen Michael. And you didn't even bother to tell me.
I was confused. I don't know whom to talk to. I don't know whom to tell. I don't know where to run to. Ike Gurumagu. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to him. Nothing. We'll find him, okay?
How am I sure he's still alive? How am I sure they've not killed my son and thrown him into the river or even buried him?
No. So stop talking like that. Stop talking like that. Look, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. I mean, you don't have any evidence. No proof. So don't accuse anybody, okay? So don't worry. Everything will be fine. We'll find him. It's alright.
Abukene kono nasa mwana no kuno mana ese wiya di kono no kai bile no dono no na no kono bile kwano dono no na no kono Makano donya kamba omwanem asim no donya kamba no udabaga niruno unano gono Mano no donya baganiro no
Michael, did you see him? Hey, I did not see him.
My husband, I buried him somewhere. They have killed my husband, God forbid, he's not my brother. I refuse to believe that. Nothing will happen to my brother, never. Nothing will happen to my kid. Michael, where are you? Stand up, fight for your child. Where could my son be? Where could Michael be? What happened to Michael? Hey! You are responsible for the missing of my husband. You will not see the light of tomorrow. You will not see the light of tomorrow. You will not see the light of
Lolo.
Emma.
We actually came to see you.
Oh, really? Then let's go inside.
No. We're very busy people. My gorgeous wife has a few words for you. Hello, speak.
Alright. Please, where are the guards? Guards! What about the maidens? Maids?
Now listen and listen very attentively. My husband's coronation comes up in 4 days. And I want everywhere in this compound to be kept clean. Failure to do so, you get your asses kicked out of this palace. Am I well understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I'm done, my husband.
Dichi. I have no Bruna body, my little one, my happy, your Bruno. My boy, my boy, my young boy, here. I don't have run my boys in here, Dichi. It was the gods that took away Michael. Huh? The gods took Michael. Michael will never return again to this land. The gods have taken Michael away. Oh. Anna, well, Naija no good baby. Did I want my get about what Bruno here? All I need that boy, I will not have a joy, and I also haven't kept on my rep goes to see me, and I know Goku. No, it can't be.
I can't believe it. You mean Michael is gone like that?
Mbano, I don't believe it. Michael cannot be gone. I believe we will see him. Yes. Hey!
If you don't have money, you are done. It's because of money that are doing this to Michael.
No. Our gods will not allow that.
Guy, it's too bad. It's too bad.
Michael cannot be gone.
Michael of all people. But no. No, nothing.
We will find him.
Yes, I pray we find him.
My dear, I want you to be strong. You have to be very strong because I know that your son is not dead.
No.
Those that must say otherwise, but let us just pray that whatever that is holding him where he is will release him.
No. But I pray so.
But Lolo, do you think it's the gods that took him away from us?
That is what Ezemo said. But we have to be in prayers. Let's continue praying and be positive that whatever evil wind that is holding him there, release him.
Ife Yuma, Ife Sinachi, like my mother said,
You all have to be strong. Nobody should cry for him. I believe someday he must surely come back.
That is my prayer. That is my prayer. Let him come back if he's still alive. That is if Raymond and his wicked elders have not killed him.
God forbid.
They don't have power over his life.
Yes.
Okay? Be positive.
Why is this world so full of wicked people?
They have wicked me. Lolo, hey, wait a go. Lolo, hey, wait a go.
Calm down.
Early go.
Calm. But you have to calm down. Oh? He will be back. My dear, yes. Be strong.
What are you feeling like? I am asking you, what are you feeling like?
How dare you stand in my presence and point fingers at me?
Why won't I point fingers at you? Who do you think you are? Who? I ask, who?
Rose, are you mad? How dare you point fingers at my mother? Are you mad?
You dare touch me? You touch me? Are you stupid?
How dare you?
Stop it! No!
How dare you?
No, leave her!
How dare you? Leave your mother!
Leave her, let her come close to me. I will beat the hell out of you now. Something is wrong with you. Just get your hands off me.
Rose, what you're doing is not proper. Rose, you have the guts to raise your filthy hands on my face, right? This palace will not contain both of us.
Of course it will not. You're a fool. Because it's time you left. It will not. Because it's time you got out of this place. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me in this place. I am the current queen. Rubbish.
My queen, you shouldn't have slapped her. She's older than you.
Oh, Janet, please do not even say that. Don't even say that. As it stands now, I am ready to slap that useless mother of ours. Do you understand? What right does she think she has to talk to me anyhow in this palace? I am the current queen and I deserve to be respected. Rubbish.
My princess, the king wants to see you. Who is the king?
King Raymond.
Next time, do not address him as a king before me. Do you understand?
Yes, my princess.
Now get out. You called me.
Yes, I called you. Did you push my wife?
Yes, I did. And if not for my mother, I would have taught her a lesson she will not forget in a hurry.
Really?
Yes.
God! Take her and beat her up mercilessly. Mulia!
Come on, will you stop? Get out of this place. I said get out. Have you forgotten that she's the princess in this kingdom?
Yes, I have forgotten. Because she also forgot that this is my wife. Huh? Lolo Ekweme, one of Ezioba Kingdom. She should be respected.
Yes. The current Lolo of Ezioba Kingdom for that matter.
Did you ask what she did that made her push her?
Whatever she did.
I did not even do anything to her. Nothing.
You are an opportunist.
And you are a gold digger.
No, please, it's okay. Brother Raymond, please, it's okay, please.
Raymond, I am so disappointed in you. Ifeleme. Let's go.
Please get out. Get out. Rubbish. Listen, my husband. With all these things happening, I am not sure this main building can contain all of us. They have to move to the boys' quarters, and it has to be now.
I'm sensing trouble in future. Serious one indeed. But I don't care. I know who I'm serving.
Quavo, what if she needs your service? I mean the new Lolo.
If this is what I can do it. But let her get her own maid.
This is serious.
You needed to see the way the king ordered me to take princess away yesterday and beat her up.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Lolo stops me.
What kind of king is that? How can you order a guy to beat a princess? God forbid.
That is because she is not the king's daughter.
Even at that, he doesn't know that the princess of this kingdom ought to be respected.
Yes.
But wait.
What if Lola wasn't around?
And you also, why did you make an attempt to do that?
Are you normal? Eh? Is something wrong with your head? Are you telling me that I should disobey the king's order? My friend, if you don't have something to say, my friend, get out.
If you were in his shoes, you would do the same. Don't mind her.
This can't sit down.
So, the king gave you an instruction and you ignored it, right?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Will you shut up? Because you have absolutely nothing to say to me. How dare you defy the orders of the king? Are you mad? Now I need you to listen and listen very attentively. I am the current Lolo, and you will not take orders from anybody else. Am I well understood? Not that stupid woman, not her daughter. For I am the current Lolo. Now say it.
Current Lolo!
Am I well understood?
Current Lolo!
Are you stupid?
Yes, my current Lolo!
You, come here. Hey, come over here. Come here. Must you always be a clown? Will you get up? Now I'm sounding this as a note of warning to all of you. All of you! I am the current Lolo of this palace. And whatever I say stands. I don't ever want to see you listen to that woman or her evil child. No one listens to her except me. Am I well understood? I am the current Lolo.
Yeah, understood.
I am the current Lolo. No one should flaunt my orders in this palace. No one. No one. Now get out. All of you, get out. Out. You had the nerves to ignore my king. Right? Knowing full well that he is a king and I am the current Lolo. Knowing full well, I'll kill you today.
Move it down. Open. It's not open. Right there. Now you
open the gate.
Okay, now you and in the man. There was an instruction not to open the gate for you.
Instruction from who?
From the king. Why?
He said 2 of you are no longer the cabinet members.
Shere, is Lolo aware of this?
Which one? The current Lolo or the old one?
Which one is current Lolo and old Lolo again?
The wife of the king is the current Lolo.
We are talking of Mama Deze, the main Lolo.
Mama Deze, well, I'm not aware. Maybe she's aware of what is happening or not. So I don't know.
Who's she, man?
So sorry, huh?
Let me call her. I don't just understand.
Call her.
Hello, Lolo. Yes, we are at the palace here. And the security man said there is an instruction for us not to enter inside the palace. Yes. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. What kind of nonsense is this?
What did she say?
She said she's not around, but that she's on her way. Huh? Let's wait for her. It's getting out of
The guards say there is an instruction from the king not to allow us inside the palace, that we are no more members of the cabinet.
Instruction from the king? It's not possible.
Who is that again now?
It's all no. Why did you stop them, Okoye and Naman, from entering the palace?
No, it was an instruction from the king.
From the king. Naman, Okoye, he said it's an instruction from the king. Ikobe.
What kind of nonsense is this one now?
What do we do?
Anyway, don't worry. Let's wait for Lolo.
Let's go back. Brother, what is it?
Have you? I'm looking for my crown. Did you see my crown?
Your crown?
Yes.
In the bush. Brother, what is it? Eh? Brother, what are you searching for? Tell me, brother, what is it now?
Please tell me.
Why are you doing this to me?
Do not lie to me. Did you see my crown?
Brother, I did not see any crown.
But I've been searching for it everywhere.
Let's go back home, brother. I didn't see anything.
I am not going back home until I find my crown, okay?
In the bush. Brother, stop this thing you are doing. Let's go back home. Where is my
crown? Where's my crown?
Brother, please. Let's go back home. Stop this thing you are doing.
Did you see my crown?
I didn't see anything. Let's go home.
Then wait, let me look for it now.
Please, let's go home.
I am looking for my crown. You said we should go home.
Brother, what are you searching for?
Okay, just hold on. Hold on. Tell me the truth. Did you see it?
Brother, you are getting me confused the more. Why are you doing this to me? Let's go back. Please.
You don't want to tell me?
Brother, let's go. Let's go.
I'm looking for my crown.
Let's go.
I'm looking for my crown.
Brother, please.
It belongs to me. I'm looking for it.
Brother, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, brother? Mama, I had a nightmare.
A nightmare?
I saw brother in the bush searching everywhere.
My husband?
Yes. Searching for what? He said the crown, Mama.
Why would he be searching for a crown in the bush?
I don't know. Wait, hold on. In the dream, did he get the crown? I don't know. I don't know. I was dragging with him to come back home, Mama. But he refused. So I now woke up.
Michael! Who did this to me? How did this to me? Mama, stop, you make me cry. Who did this to me? Where is my son? Where is my son? Where is my son? Where is Michael? Mama, stop, you make me cry. Hey, just stop. Who did this to me? Who did this to me? Who did this to me? Hey.
Mama, it's okay. You have to be strong for us, please. Please stop.
He did what?
Queen Rose did this. Is she mad? Is she? Where is she? What nonsense?
Adeze.
What nonsense? What no! This has to stop. Open this door.
Adeze.
Open this door.
Adeze.
Stop it. Bring her down. Bring her down. Bring her down. Bring her. Open this door. Is she mad? Who is she?
Stop it. Come on, stop it.
Rose, I won't take this from you again. I'm saying this before everybody. The next time you go to my room or touch my thing in this palace again, I swear before the gods of our lands, either you kill me or I'll kill you. Oh, Adeze, you're nothing but a coward. A coward you are. Just look at you. Look at how you're ranting. You can't do nothing. Just try any rubbish with me and I will show you that I am the Lolo, the current Lolo of Ezioba Kingdom. Try me.
Warn your wife. Give her orientation, because I know that you have. Tell her what she should and what she should not do as the queen that she claims to be. If she tries this nonsense again,
what will happen?
I will send you where she will never set eyes on you again, dear.
Oh, please keep quiet, because you can't do anything. There is absolutely nothing you can do to me. If you think you can actually do something, start it now. Start it already. What's that? Oh my goodness. You don't know me. You want to touch me? If you come close to me, I will give you a dirty slap that your head will spin 360 from your neck. You will slap me? Try me! Rose, you will slap me? Try me! Come on, stop. Try me! Try me! Don't have to tell me to calm down. Leave me, let me tell this woman that her time has expired in this palace. What right do you have to talk to me? And you? Adeze, you call yourself a princess. At your age, what are you still doing in your father's house? Are your mates not married? What are you doing here, fooling yourself around and talking to the current Lord of Ezioba Kingdom? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not?
So, just let her. She's not worth it.
Mother, what? What can you do? Come close to me. Did you hear me? You can't do it with me.
Rose, just let her.
Mama, leave. Touch me. Touch me.
My queen.
Are you stupid? Have you lost your sanity? What did I tell you in the morning? Don't even pretend as if you do not know what I'm talking about. Don't play dumb with me, for I will have your carcass thrown to the vultures. Speak!
You told me not to wash the princess' clothes.
Oh, so you still remember? I told you not to wash her clothes, and you still went ahead and washed it, right?
Yes, but I couldn't ignore her instructions.
Oh, you couldn't ignore her instructions, but you ignored mine.
I'm sorry, my queen.
You're sorry. You should be sorry for your stupid self. Now I need you to know that your services are no longer needed in this palace. So go in there, pick up your miserable things, and leave this palace right now. I do not ever want to repeat myself again.
What did she tell you?
She told me to leave the palace, that my service is no more needed.
Are you really leaving? Go where? Is she the one that employed her? Exactly.
Go and tell the Lolo now.
Yes.
So is that the reason why she slapped you? Hey, Ikiri. All hope are not lost. You need to confirm from the Lolo before packing your bags.
Exactly.
I'm sorry.
I will go and tell her. Let me get my bags.
Kat, we are in a very big trouble in this palace. This is hell. We are in trouble.
Who will be the next?
Huh?
She slapped me and asked me to leave the palace.
What was your offense? I said, what was your offense?
She asked me not to wash your clothes.
She slapped you because you washed my clothes and asked you to leave the palace?
Oh yes, I did. I slapped the living daylight out of her stupid face and asked her to leave the palace. And you're still here. Is something wrong with you?
Why did you slap my maid?
How dare you flaunt my orders?
Why did you slap my maid?
Adobulo! Right now, take this thing out of this place.
Will you get out from here? Will you get out?
But my princess.
Ozubulo, do what I just asked you to do now.
And if you raise your fingers on her, I will make sure you spend the rest of your life in jail.
Oh my goodness. You are looking for my trouble.
I have taken enough from you. Stop it. No, mother. I have taken enough from you. Adeze, stop it. No, mother. Allow me to teach this girl a lesson.
Oh, really?
Who is she?
Can you actually do that?
How dare you slap my maid?
Can you actually do that?
Yes, I can do that.
What can you do? Come on.
What can you do? Are you
come on.
crazy?
Come on.
Are you
come
crazy?
on.
What can you do?
I said, come on. Something is wrong with your head.
Did you slap?
Stupid thing.
Did you slap Hamed?
Oh, yes, I did. I did not only slap her, but I also relieved her of her job. What do you want to do about that? What can you do about that?
What is going on here? My queen, what is it?
Mother, this thing right there had the guts to flaunt my orders in this palace. Me!
This?
The queen, the current queen of Ezioba Kingdom. You are finished.
This?
Yes.
A common maid? Violated your orders.
Oh my goodness.
The next time you try that in this palace, I will tell you that I became a Lolo before you were born.
You can do nothing. You can do nothing. Try me.
Rose.
What?
Rose.
What?
Enough. Rose, take your time in this palace.
Stop it.
Take your time in this palace.
Come on, shut that thing you call mouth. Fool.
You see why I hate how you judge matters? Is this what you're supposed to say or what?
Goodness.
My dear, go and wear your uniform and go back to work.
You are not going anywhere. Stop it. Are you mad? You stupid? You're not going anywhere. This girl is leaving this palace.
She's not going anywhere.
Okay, let's see her go inside then.
She is not going
Let's see her go inside. Hey, who does that? Let that away. You see?
Yes, I sent you. I want to ask you a few questions. Do not lie to me. Are you aware that this palace was built with the contributions of the good people of Ezioba Kingdom? Are you?
Yes, I am.
Good. That means you will confirm that you and your husband, my uncle, our great king who has passed on, you people moved into this palace after it was completed. You moved in from wherever you people were staying. I don't know. You did not contribute a dime to the erection of this building, right?
You're right.
Good. If you are aware of these things, then Kediviji has done this palace as well. Huh? Why? Why are you fighting over something that is not yours? You didn't put in 1 naira into the erection of this building. So why? Why do I give orders and you disobey those orders? Why? Listen to me, Lolo. You and I know that as king, I have the powers to throw you and your daughter out of this palace. You know that.